Hi, good people. I was just coming from making my hair, and I decided to pass through this Ethiopian restaurant. I've never ate any Ethiopian food before, so I just decided, like, let me just have some Ethiopian food for a change, before I go home, because I was coming from making my hair. How are you doing? Let me just wear glasses. Their lighting is pretty bad, It's a bit dark, but anyway, I'm so curious to taste some. I've done some Eritrean food before. I loved it. So I'm gonna try some Ethiopian food, and I don't know if it's gonna, I'm gonna try it. How are you doing? How's everyone? I missed you. Atikwanise kudedzera because tiri mu restaurant. So I'm gonna try. Hi, how are you doing? Looking good, thank you. I did my nails too. Do you love them? I did my nails. It was like yesterday. Do you love them? And I had to do a retouch of my hair because it's been 3 months. So yeah, kind of. Hi people, hi. How are you doing? So I'm so curious to learn the food. Nematambudziko naimi. Ananzani mkomana uyu wekujoya celebration Zimbabweans. Hans ashaya. You know me when I put nails, my nails are always screaming, slay. I'm not a slay queen, but I'm trying. Hi. Naimi. Like really? Like, so we are not going to be screaming too much. Ndakatumizirwa message na Ola. I think I can't go into tape. Like, I can't go into message. Ndikuratidze mune imwe phone. Ndikuedza kupinza ma glasses eGucci ndisinga kwadze ma glass angu. So ndakatumizirwa message na Ola, and I didn't respond because ndoba ngandaita live yani yaMutaris. So like anditi Ola podcast yake iri kusponsor na Mutaris. So I just felt kuti pamwe atumwa na Mutaris ndikuratidze. Ndakatumizirwa message na Ola akangoti ndeipere or something. Just the night ngandapedza kuita live. Just hold on, let me show you. Where's DJ Ola? This one. Ush. Akanditumizira message. Ndeipo wangu. DJ Ola. Ush. Can I open this one? Meno number yake hapa. Akanditumizira message, and I didn't respond because it was going to be like a contested status yake, and didn't muona my message ya mwana waripana hapa. Ush. Arapa. Ush. Di Ola ush. So akanditumizira message, and I think maybe he wanted to have me on his show, but it doesn't make sense because I was speaking about Tinashe Mtarisi and ndakone kwandichenda ku. So I didn't even respond. I'm not someone with double standards. Inini ndikataura chinhu ndozoonekwa nenyika ndakuenda kushow ya Ola. Iyo show ya Ola inokocherwa neNash TV. It's kind of double standards. I don't do that. So I didn't respond to his messages. That's who I am. Anditi nhasi ndataura chino mangwana ndotaura chimwe. No, I don't do that. Please give me a break. So how are you, Queen? Number ndiri public iri number dza Ola handiziri public maiona. So munongomudza Ola kuti because ndakacheka maties angu naTinashe Mtarisi, so I cannot respond to your messages, and atina nyaya na Ola. You don't. Oh, you love the nails, thank you. You know me kana ndichisa ma nails. Actually today I'm gonna be adding people so that titandare tichiketese Ethiopian food. You know me when I do nails, ndinoisa nzara dzinodhura handise nzara dzemanga manga. I put a lot of, I invest in myself. I have started to invest in myself so much, Hansi, you are not uneasy. I'm not a double. And this moon I know kuti nasi munondo una shit. Mangwana munondo una shit. Kana ndatungukata my ties, it's over. It's like it's over. You understand? It's like it's over. So let's just wait and so yeah. Hi, it's given. So thank you so much. Thank you. I always make my hair in Sweden. So I came to Sweden yesterday. So I'll be going back to Austria tomorrow. I always make my hair in Sweden. I always make my hair in Sweden. So that Sunday I'm not at a hotel because I'm sleeping in a hotel. I need to just take some shoes for the wedding, shop here in Sweden and so then I go back tomorrow, so then I go to the we could retouch up like I had to retouch the hair and yeah, so I'm in Sweden and I'm going back to Austria tomorrow. So but I need to eat some Ethiopian food. I just like it's giving rich auntie though. It's giving nyasha. It's giving nyasha somewhere. You understand? It's giving nyasha somewhere. Nyasha ndisangu munanda kutaura vanhu kuti zviri kuitika zviri kufamba sei. No. I'm a blessed somebody. You know that. I'm a blessed somebody. I'm a very Mai Dhereki style. And it's the same dreadlocks ango gadzirwa ne that guy, but I didn't have time to do a live because I was rushing. Then shida kuenda kunoona the photographer because the photographer arikuita mchato wangu is from Sweden. So, because I know that guy when I was here in Sweden. So I had a lot of meetings in the morning. Then I went and Hans loving the natural. Yeah, I do natural hair. And retouch kwamsoro and I'm just like, this is kind of me. But you tell Ola kuti Hans na quintati. Unfortunately, I would have loved to do an interview na Ola. But dayanga karamba achiri ku Star FM. You remember ndakambo post about Ola ndakati I want kuti Ola anti interview, but now it's too late. You know what's happening. So really I cannot do that. I cannot really do that. It doesn't work well. Pani varoi vakakutarisai musataura queen. Anditombotaure kuti muchato rekorina, anditombotaure kuti ndikubvisa barini, anditombotaure and amutomboone murume wandiri kudanana naye. I think you can just see kuti he's trying. You can just see that he's trying. Satizi vanhu vanotaura, tiri vanhu vane ma actions. You can see he's trying. You can see he's trying. And Nansana Bokwira a private jet in my life. So this is my second time being flown to Sweden in a private jet. Last time Pandakainda Papa and I my logs from day one. So this is my second time and I was flown in a private jet. God is our food is coming. Do you want to say hi to my Zimbabwean family?
Okay.
Yeah. What's your name?
Bibi.
Bibi. This is Bibi.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah. You from Ethiopia?
Yes.
Can you teach me how to say how are you in Ethiopian language?
Danane. For men.
For man, and for woman?
Woman, Dananish.
Denanish. Oh, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Oh, the food looks good. Look.
Yeah, have a nice dinner.
Thank you so much. Thank you. This is our food. So this is our food. We're gonna be eating some. I think I'm not gonna finish everything. I'm gonna. Oh, with injera. I love injera. Injera is beautiful. And then I think it's lamb, rice, and yeah. Let's just. Okay. So let's eat. So let's pray for the food. For the food before us, we thank you to you, Lord, in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. All right, totangira papi. I've never taken any Ethiopian food before. It's my first time. I think I need a glass of juice. Let me just. I cannot drink food with wine. I want juice. Typical Zimbabwean. Don't marry little water sugar. Queen Mukutin's Nzara manje sure here we are taking go Zimbabwe. Let me check the time. It's 6. No time zakudya one. No time zakudya. And kuda andigona kudya chikafu. I've got a sweet tooth. I think I just need a glass of orange juice. Okay, ngatichike. I hope ndavasaise because vane mbiri yekudya zvinovava. It's very nice. Because I said, or you used to work before in an Ethiopian. It's nice food. So ndavati musaise a lot of spices. And even though the HIV positive. Saka shirwere nema spices azviwirirani zvinonyandura dumbu. So they put like really mild, you understand? Oh God, it's so nice. It's so nice. I love them. Oh, Munodanzara. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ndikuku represent Aimusha here. Ndikuku represent Aimusha. Mukunakirwa nema songs are Queen here. Mukunakirwa nema songs are Queen.
How is everything?
Oh, beautiful. Say hi to my family, my Zimbabwean family. Are you the owner of the restaurant?
Yes.
Okay. What's your name?
Solomon.
This is Solomon. Say hi to Solomon,
Hi,
guys.
Hi, everybody.
So I'm from Zimbabwe. Exactly.
Have you been in Ethiopia?
I've never been to Ethiopia before, but I would love to be in Ethiopia because whenever I fly with Ethiopian Airways, the ladies from Ethiopia, they look beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
So I always say to my boyfriend that the most beautiful women in Africa, Ethiopia. And thank you for the food. This is beautiful. Thank you so much, Solomon. That's the owner. Tine zodzo varidzi vema restaurant vanouya pa izodzo iroro varidzi ndimona wabva kwavari izodzo iroro muridzi werestaurant auya pano izodzo izodzo Hi Solomon tips. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, izodzo tikapinda panzvimbo tinodedza vane mari chete. That's who I am. Ingonamirire nezvese izodzo. Take the zodzo. Hansi, is he married? I think mukadzi wake ndiye bibi andiseva futi. Nchamubvunza. The food is nice. It's so nice. Izodzo. Kapinda panzvimbo tinodedza vane mari vacho. So that was Nails and Point. Thank you so much. I will do a live with my nail stylist and that's Zokera Koviana Mumuoni. She's really good. She's really good. She's really good. She is really good. Hansim Zodzo. Stop. Thank you so much. Thank you. Any Kenyans in the house? Kenya, I love you. I love you so much, Kenyans. Merry Christmas, everybody. I don't know if I'm going to do a live on Christmas Day because we're traveling. We're traveling. We're going somewhere. But we're traveling. So I think I'm going to be off the radar. We're traveling. The second day down is Panzara, Nukadzum Soro. Was my shamar akating it to meet Amokos Yavan. You just know what happens. It's the accent is giving. Thank you so much. As well as I represent you well, I'm happy about that. kana ndichingokurepresenta very well, then I'm happy about that. I'm happy about that. Nasati suita live yekutuka anyone tungotandara. Iri kuvava a spice, but njera yava haisi. I love this. Oh God, Lord. Hansi Amy, my father, thank you. I was kind of, when I'm traveling to Sweden, and son of any boyfriend, I'm always alone. So kind of, so permanently lonely. And I because I know that kind of power, then I don't think for me to go to power. And for me to go to power. So the papa and she paid alive and I was in the hotel room and and for me to open about, I don't know why. I need out cleavage. I'm getting some Buddha. So ndakuratidzai message kwa Ola munongosvitsawo message kuti Ola, since you are working for Tinashe Mutarisi ndina chekutaura newe. Imagine ndaita live yaMutarisi the next morning or the next afternoon, So look, can I please have a glass of orange juice?
Orange.
Yeah, thank you so much, my love. Andigona kudya nedoro. I've got a sweet tooth. So I'm sending a message and you understand. So ndandichati china imi ini ndaita live ndichitaura zvandisingadini zvaMutarisi, hanzi put the meat on jera, it will taste amazing. All right, really? Let me try. It's my first time. And akambodya ku Eritrea, like the injera yeku Eritrea. Okay, let me try. Wow. Okay. Zinonaka. Okay. It's beautiful. Handinonyepa undadi handinyepe. Nai manzi Esther unonyepa. Wanda kuratidza message one. Uyu musikana ati ndinonyepa uyu. Andina kukuratidza message ya Ola. Kundonyepirani? Andina kukuratidza message ya Ola. Ipo pesa pa Ola anga akanyarara. Azoita reach out kwandiri, like right now, like really. Hello. Thank you so much. Thank you. How do I say thank you in Ethiopian?
It's a long word, but amasagnalo.
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 Thank you. It's good to learn foods, especially when kana uripo. What's your private? Shinondeka kuratidza private jet inokurubuka. Pokuyatidzai zvino. Aisafado. Mutaziya mazuva ari chadi. Ndaiposta taenda kuItaly, taenda kuFrance, taenda apana changanzira. Zvino zvakambogara zvezvo chadi. Ndakachata naRichard December 2017. Then anzi muri creative panema. I'm not going to show you anything. I just one eye in. Kana mchida kuroya inini ndini munhu wenyu. Simwe izvi I suffered. I really suffered. Thank you. Let's try the juice. Wow, it's giving. Hanzi hatati hanzi. Imi. Ndakambosuzva ini. Ndakasuzva zvekusuzva zviya like mazuva ndarambwa naRichard so amai mwana. Ndakati vanhu ndovaudza sei. Zvinokana. Saka munongo create ma stories brain menyu. Kana ini ndiri ku create ma stories good for me. As no create ma stories uchibwinya so. Something is happening. You know me one. Mazuvangu ngandiri masala mtempi, you know me one. Now ndakugadzirwa musoro every time, ndakuiswa nzara every 2 weeks. Eat me something, but stay in the dark. It helps. Makambondiona ndichigadzirwa nzara, ndakapedzisira kugadzirwa nzara mazuva ndaidana nazvichati, but zvino ndachinja nzara kangani, nditati unonyepa, like really. Garai nezvamuri kuziva izvozvo. Thank you mwana wamai vangu. Memo masizi vaganda kopa anofarirwa zvisingaiti naashumba. She's a nurse. Saka ashumba vanogara vachisangana naye pavanonodhilivhera madrugs pahospital yake. She's the sister in charge yepanesi ipapo. Anonzi Memo. Memo, I love you, my love. Ndiyechamangwiza. Njera inovava. Mai vangu. Njera inovava. Hanzi moro zvenhai. So nangoti vanhu maswera sei. Like really, you know, I love it. Who born you? What is your because? Kilo de. And chisiro take away chiend. Nanorara. Nomunofara ndiapi masongs amuri kufarira. Isai ma request. Ndimbo interact nevanhu naso. Isandati goodbye. Isai ma request. Ndiapi masongs amunofarira. I've got a sweet tooth, you know, and it's going to kudya chikafu newine. Zvinoita varungu. Zvinoita zvekubudiriro zviya. I've got a very, very sweet tooth. Hi Queen, homwe makadi ndiripo zvangu. Ndavari wine. Ameno zvavava ipapapa. Ameno zvandivava. Chiiko. Oh, I can see Chiiko. Ndikunakirwa but zviri kuvava. I think it's true. Mai Dhereki. Man. Okay. And ndakatozokuvhurira ighost mandi blocker. Oh, sorry baby. Sorry sweetheart. Nana ku blocker. Angwaite. Angwaite baby. Mai Dhereki. Hanzi ndoda Chiiko. I like njera. Pamuri kudya inonakira. All right. But I'm trying to porridge. So get porridge rakatonora. No, I've never eaten Ethiopian food before. So I'm going to my dinner. Let me just have some, instead of me going to get a KFC or burger. Let me just go in a restaurant. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Ndakagona kuimba here pamasongs akabuda. Okay. And Christmas ninge tichiridza Mai Dhereki. Oh, thank you for the support. Thank you. Ndakatofonerwa nomwana wakuru swasvika kuti Mai Dhereki na Chiiko magaro. And chimboita operation a blocking one. Munobvisa $500. Ada kwan block one. Achida kushandisa main account, you remove $500, then I look for your name. Because ndo block one every minute. So you give me $500 or £500, you know. Oh, thank you. The people are loving the nails. Thank you. You make good choice on him. Do you represent him? Thank you. Thank you, my people. Thank you. At least in your eyes, because we also did a haze in your the new one. We will definitely release in Chataura Namunyo. You know. Let me ask for the bill. I need to pay. And we go. Let me ask for the bill. Oh, good Lord. Let me ask for the bill. Then we pay and we go. And we're going to get right. ndine nzara zvisingaita ndatadza kupedza chikafu andizive kuti why ndototi nenzara kuti mandifungidzisa katimwe mapirisi edzi nekugara nangomwa mapirisi zvinotibatsira izvozvo so that atsvaga mapirisi mapirisi nana anenge ari mumabhegi mapirisi ndimwairewo kamalove nemalikes ndichitsvaga mapirisi edzi ndimwairewo kamalove nemalikes ndichitsvaga mapirisi edzi ndimwairewo malove nemalikes. This is TVK. This is Risosta. Mukaona 1 2 1 2 mukaona atomwa mapirisi edzi tatorarama mapirisi edzi kachibhadhara ndava ndipowo bhiri kandichibuda munhu. So I need to go and sleep now. Then mangwana ndoenda zvangu, you know, kana zvakanakira kana uchienda neprivate jet hauiti checking kune povo kako mune gate renyu upenyu hwakanaka unoziya ko kana uchikwira private jet hauiti checking kune povo unoenda nekugate kundaiziya kudaiziya mwari uyu mwari anongorangarira sika chaona izvo zvangu masocialites anenge audaiswa nzara musazvipe pressure isu tine maresources vanhu vanenge vakuzvipa pressure ipapai ndoda kutoiswa nzara neundaona tatochasa nenzara like really mune maresources acho mune maresources. Do you have resources to do that? Run your race. Run your race. Hands quiet. Hands are we to check in kunipo? And it kundezviziya zvakuita zvichisinka man. Zvakuita zvichisinka. It's sinking. It's sinking. Ngatipedze wine ka ndamwa mapirisi kitchen anzi muri kuuya weni kuzim queen ndabvumidzwa naashumba vanotya zvisingaito ndiuye kuzimbabwe anzi unourayiwa nenyaya yekuti une pamuromo tumacho saka kuti kuuya kuzimu not any time sir. What are you eating? I'm eating Ethiopian food. Queen, you're looking good. Thank you. Inyosha zamani. Uchingi tuwana dengo. Nakayanya chemo last year. And you know, I'm kind of so happy. Muruma kagara uko. Muridziwe restaurant. Akandicharisa. Like, inina skana. Iwo tete vanobuda pandiri vechihura ata kunonzi kunditarise zvaizvo aine ndichiita giving ndava ndipoka ningi ndava ndipoka bhiri ndichibhadhara andi muri kuendepi tomorrow ndikudzokera kuAustria. I'm going back to Austria. Ndatopedza manhenga angu ese mameeting angu ndatopedza. Ndatanga makuseni mameeting angu muSweden. Ndichimboita photographer wemuchato. Then I was doing boots. Because ndikupfeka boots. Mukadzi muchadziona. Ndotora musikana waye andipe nhenga yangu kuti bhadhare bhiri rangu. Showstopper. You know me. Showstopper. Show to the store. Am I wanna? Andisandaziva kuti keke ndiri kuda rakaita sei. Andisandaziva kuti kugadzikira. Ndikumadhiringi newaini ka. Kuitira kuti mapirisi eedzi anyatsodi asinge musha. Mapirisi eedzi anyatsodi guchu. Nemusikana wangu andipoka ndira kwa. I think it's a family thing. Musikana waye akafanana nababa ufunga mwana wawo. I think it's a family thing. Avangu ndipo ndibhadhara ubhira kuti pano. Hey musikana. Naguta maita ndatenda imwe ataguta Mwari maita basa nechikafu cheta amen. Muchaita takeaway kwezvizvi. Wow. Manhanga. Wow. Manhanga. You know. Ngopinda vanhu vachinditarisa vanhu asi ndakatonaka zvekudaro kana. Asi ndakatonaka zvekudaro. Ndisikaziva. Ndakatonaka zvekudaro. Vanhu vari kungonitaura. Excuse me, sorry. Hello. Can I please have the bill?
Do you need what?
Yeah, to pay. Yeah, thank you so much.
Do you need anything?
And I want to put this in a doggy bag.
Yes, my dear.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You don't need anything?
I think I'm okay now. Okay. You know, the food was so delicious.
Thank you so much.
Tell Solomon and your mother, Bibi,
yes,
to say thank you so much.
I will do that.
Thank you. Nobva panzvimbo uchadiwa. Utomva wada kutogara unge. Nobva panzvimbo uchadiwa. Toda kutoswera pano kunge pamusha pasekuru wako. Nobva panzvimbo uchadiwa. Kaka. Vanhu vachiri kuda. Azotanga azodhiga history yako kuti waive murume. Unomukandwa panze pana. Ibva panzvimbo uchadiwa. Azotanga kudhiga history. Manhanga ari kunaka. I love them. Manhanga ari kunaka. Akazotanga kudhiga history. Kutaura nemurume pano. Ndabve panzvimbo achadiwa. Zvinoiswa mudhogo nyama. Baba vandibvirira. Baba vandibvirira. Vakutouya pano. Mai wezvamo. Nacho. Baba wangu. Ndiri mukadzi wemunhu kai. Ndiri girl andisandaroorwa zvangu. Ndiri mugirlfriend. Apa vakapfeka bhutsu inodhura zvisinga. Asati kada wagara uri. Munamatiro womurume wangu ari kundiroora ini. Because ndaona unge relationship kai. Ndi vasikana vacho vakadzi vekuEthiopia manakira vakaita so. Vakanaka. Zvakanaka sasa. Hello. Vakanaka sasa. They look so beautiful. Oh, bless you, sweetheart.
Do it yourself?
Yeah, I can do it.
Okay.
You know.
Otherwise, they will go and do it for you.
No, let me do it because there are a lot of people now with it. Yeah, thank you so much. Ngapikirwe chikafu nemunhu. Asipikira chikafu changu. Ewe zvangu.
So how's it going?
Oh, the food is so perfect. Thank you.
So it's not your first time?
No, this is my first time.
Really?
Exactly.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
So where did you find out? You came in here and asked like, as you know Ethiopian food.
No, I was making my hair in Sveawagen.
Okay.
And I told the hairdresser that I just want to eat some African food today.
Okay.
And then he recommended your restaurant.
So how do you find it?
I love the food so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're gonna have sweet dreams too with this food. You know?
No, thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay, but I have my camera right here.
Oh, you have a camera?
Yeah, you put my camera there to watch my car.
All right.
This is my car parking there.
Okay, no problem.
Because
You can...
the parking tickets.
Oh, yeah.
So
yeah.
that's the way I prevent from. Maybe you can give it to me. You see my telephone.
Okay, let me just give you. No problem.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
You can rate it. Can you rate it?
Oh, yes. That's so good.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Merry Christmas.
You the same to you too.
Thank you so
should
much.
Come back again.
Of
You
course,
live in Stockholm?
no, I live in Vienna, but I was just here to make my hair.
You came from here to make your hair?
To just make my hair, exactly.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Why not? Why not? But I used to live here before in Sweden.
Okay.
So I moved to Vienna last year in December. So I prefer the weather there is kind of not cold too much. And also I'm a musician, so it's kind of good for me, to be interact.
So you love it and you're going to stay there?
I'll be coming back once in a while.
You have family here?
No, I have a boyfriend. He lives in Vienna. And my son lives in Zimbabwe with my mother.
Son in Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
So when it comes to men, you spread them out.
No,
One is in Vienna, the other one is in...
no, I'm a loyal girlfriend. I just have one boyfriend.
Okay.
Yeah. What's your name? I'm Esther.
Okay, Esther.
Nice meeting you. Same, the pleasure is mine.
Okay, Merry Christmas.
Same to you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, bye. Mukutwara manotse.
Jimmy.
Mukutwara manotse ka? Dada kutoyekwa. Manzwa masound ere panganchitora phone ndakati that's delicious. And then what nonsense Esther. Esther, it's a more dignified. What delicious one. Esther was quite delicious. That's what Esther. It's dignified one on the marriage.
New Year is in actuality.
Anogona kutondipa lift kakuhotel kwangu baba. Kuti pane maziso akawanda. Zvinoswera zvasvika kune nadokta pini zikapiwa lift. Kandisiye vabude. Kare kangu. Ari kutobuda izvozvo. Yes, I'm loyal. I'm loyal to my boyfriend. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm loyal to my boyfriend. Kupi. Dabani Marina. Ona busi wakafika so. I mean, ndinongo attracta vanhu vane mari. I mean, ndozvandita. Kangosvika panzvimbo chete vane mari vanouya panze. Vane mari vanouya panze. Hapasvike vanasikana. Hapasvike vanasikana. Queen vedu. Da representa here. Anzati kutora vadotsi. Yeah. Ndikasvika paezvona mukona tebhoya ndakangogara ndega ati varume vese paonawe amenozi mazi murume rine mari rasvika pano rakuti vasiya foni tandakutongo amva watanga kuti chino azinge vakutobvunza andashindipawo kanenge bhiri ndienda sikana ngashindipa bhiri ndiende ndikati bye ndikati ndakupedza live vanomboziva kuti ndikumanya kuda pane vanhu vanoziva Dr. P pano. Andakakudzai ndikati Dr. P vakasangana nemazimbabweans pandakatanga kutangana naMarcus first weeks by akasangana nemazimbabweans kanzi unoziva taticheza neHIV kuti dai ndandisina kumudza kuti ndiri pamapirisi mazimbabweans ostre anogara muviyani vanomuziva kane mari zvinotyisa kanzi do you know kuti munhu waurudana naye ari pamapirisi. Hello my dear, how much is it?
It's 317.
Thank you my dear, just put 350
I didn't do more, please.
so that I can tip you. You are good.
But I just came now.
Oh, you just came now. All right.
Oh, you will going to come other day, right?
I'm gonna come definitely because my hairdresser is just across the road,
Okay.
and I fix my hair once in a while, like in 3 months.
You have a hairdresser place?
No, but I've got someone who fixes my hair.
No.
I live in Vienna.
Okay,
I'm
that's
not
why.
from here, so.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. You look beautiful too.
She do very nice.
Very nice, is it?
Yeah.
Thank you so
I love
much.
it.
Thank you, my love, and I love your English. It's
Thank
so
you,
good.
my dear. Is she has a salon?
No, it's a guy. He's from Uganda.
So he do
Yeah,
it.
just across. I think Sveavägen. Across
Okay.
there.
I just want to go there.
Do you also make this kind of
Yes,
hair?
yes.
Oh, in Ethiopia?
Yeah.
All right, that's
It
nice.
is so lovely.
That's nice. I thought maybe Ethiopians are more like, the plaited hair,
Yeah.
you
The one watches the wig.
Exactly.
Yeah, we do like that also. But this was also
Let me
pink.
just check, and I just put money in this card. Till hard. Okay, let's do 300. Perfect. Oh, I enjoyed. The food was perfect. I'm gonna come back. Bibi, that's the wife to Solomon.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's she really asked me, do you like hot? Then I said, no, I don't like hot. I like just in the middle. Like it has to be in the middle, like,
Yeah.
Oh, Ethiopian. All right,
Salam alaikum.
Salam, salam.
See, you
Okay.
are doing it right.
Okay.
You're
How do I
saying
put?
salam. Oh, you're in TikTok.
Yeah. Did you say hi to the people?
No.
Come, say hi. 1,500 people watching.
Welcome now.
She's pretty, is it? Are you the daughter to Bibi?
No.
Oh, you just work here?
Yes.
She's beautiful. She's pretty, she's pretty. Okay, my love, let me pay your money now. Let me pay your money. Okay, so
Thank you so much.
you're welcome.
Okay, we're gonna do it again.
What's happening? Bush.
It will come, don't worry.
Was it the network?
Yes.
Thank
No,
you.
we do.
Hey, because
Thank you, my
there are
dear.
millions now. It's not my card. It's not my, it's my boyfriend's. Hey, what's happening? Hey, kaka. There are millions in this
I
card.
wish you good luck. Have a nice day.
Come get a hug.
Okay.
Thank you, my love. Mwah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Have
so
a nice
much.
night.
Same to you. Kisses.
Come
Merry
back,
Christmas.
another time, okay?
I will definitely come back. Kokadira rati piti. Kadi nema millions like well. All right. Ako andipa receipt here. Yes, andipa. Souvenir. We keep souvenirs on. It's called souvenir. Souvenir. Ethiopia. Kanaka. And then sit pa live akandakaisa mubhegi. Shino pa live. I sit pa live. Daka record. Daka yarogets. Kakanaka fan. Some people in Bible. Kakanaka fan. Jetsu. Shavira kubata. Nekutora zvinhu zvevanhu. Ndisiri palive. Ndakarongedza mubhegi. Zvino inoswera mbiri yafamba. Iitadya. Inoswera mbiri yafamba. Ndechefoni changu ichi. Maglass went. I think my Gucci glasses. Gucci baby. Goo-goos. Ay kaka. Hey. chakanaka ofani chinenge chao chaonesera maningi narisisizana mweya wangu wabata ende unotongobata like play unotongobata ipapo wangowabata mweya. Oh Jehovah, but ngatizvidzoreni sevanhu vari kudanana neva zvina zvabhohwa muwani tichasanovhaira nevarume ndovhaira ne ndakanoiswa bechi handi ndakanodhedhwa kuti ndikecha handi ndo zvandakanoiswa bechi kuti ndiraure varume ndikandovhaira ne handina degree ndari drop out ndovhaira ne anovhaira nevari chechechi regero handi ndakaiswa bechi kuti ndiraure varume kandodi anongovhaira saka uda kundivhaire ne andovhaira nemwana one sometimes nobovhaira natime ndiri baba. All right, my people, I love you so much. I don't know if I'm gonna do live tonight. Kune sauna. This hotel in Dukugaram, Stockholm, in a sauna. So I was thinking like I can just like go in a sauna and drink a rosé or something. Then and send out the pilot but tomorrow. But I have to tell him before I sleep today. I want to upenyu mari wakanaka vasizwa muna matireni wakanaka zvito nditila iyo live yandatoita iyo nichanetsana naashumba iyo yandatoita iyo avadi kuti nditaure zvinhu zvamakasi avadi kunditaura zvinhu zvamakasi avatodi nemukwasha wavo iyo live yandatoita nichatonetsana naashumba handisingatofanira kuita live handifanira kuita live beginning of the year. Anyway, I just felt like I was lonely in a restaurant. Right, chikafu. Ainangochipedza. Unoenda nechikafu chakadai. Uchida musa. Sati wane. Okay, ngatingoisa katuperfume so that nditi bye kune muridzi wepanapo. Atiziye kuti relationship marriage yangu namakasi inosvika rini. Ngatingogare takagadzira zita. Ndikazorambwa namakasi ndozoya ndichitsvaga baba wepanapo. Ane mari fani. Tivati goodbye tichinwira. Hey, now you don't burn bridges, ka? Senda toti goodbye kuna baba wepanapo. Wapa gage chaiko. Takadadedza mukadzi wacho. Don't burn bridges. We don't burn bridges at all. We don't burn bridges. Ndarorwa namakasi anoziya mangwana ndiye. Akamuka akandiramba. Anoziya mangwana ndiye. Don't burn bridges. We don't. Kandishoti Chiiko chiri kuya. Oinjera. Kana anojika zvayo. I love you guys. Ndisimukai. Kumaiti wase? Ndakapfeka gogo. Matizi kumbaka kuti ndandakuratidza izvozvo. Kumaiti wase? Ndazvonesponzera dzinenge dzangu. Zvino tichiswa dzinodhura zvisingaite kandizoziva kuti nesalari dzenyu zvinozobhalansana here. Nemasalari enyu idiamond. This is diamond. Ndizoziva kuti nemasalari enyu zvinozobhalansa here. This is diamond. Handizoziva hangu nemasalari enyu zvinozobhalansa here whatever. But sanyanyu kopere lifestyle, yeah. I love your dress. Thank you. I love you. Hanzi tira kona hagi. One muridzi. By the way, Sister Yamakasi is my friend on Facebook. So ngatidi katishibate. I love you guys. God bless you. Mudze ola. Mudze ola kutaiwa. I don't want an interview at all. Just tell Ola that I don't want an interview. Kaagare nema interview yake kusvika adzokera ku radio station kusta FM kana something kwete zvekunash TV. Voice rangu wada kuisa pai. Voice rangu wada kuisa pai. anoda kundoona anouya papage pangu pano riri protected page dipped in the blood of Jesus handiende kumapage 1. Alright guys, I love you. God bless you. From me, your queen. The love to you. Makandi koshera mufunge kisses. Thank you. I will definitely take care of myself. Thank you. Thank you. Definitely. Definitely. Oh yeah, get Gucci glasses, of course. Gucci glasses. Gucci.